Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified Geometry. Today we will learn about Axiom 6.4 from the lesson Lines and Angles. This axiom is also called the converse of corresponding angles axiom. It is just the reverse of Axiom 6.3. If you want to know more about corresponding angles, then click the link in description box. This axiom states that if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Let us look at this diagram. This is line M, this is line N, and this is the line L. Line L is a transversal which intersect line M at point P, line N at point Q. So, there are four pairs of corresponding angles formed in this diagram. First pair is angle 1 and angle 5. Next is angle 4 and angle 8. Next is angle 2 and angle 6. And the last pair is angle 3 and angle 7. These are all the pairs of corresponding angles formed. If any one pair of these corresponding angles is equal, then automatically these two lines will be parallel to each other. If any one pair, if any of this pair is equal, then these two lines will be parallel. Hence, this axiom is useful to check whether two lines are parallel or not. Let us take an example to understand this clearly. In this diagram, here PQ and RS are lines and AD is the transversal. AD is the transversal intersecting PQ at B and intersecting line RS at point C. And it is given that angle ABQ is 120 degree and angle BCS is given as 120 degree. These two angles is a pair of corresponding angles because on the right side of this transversal, this angle is on top of point B and this angle is on top of point C. Both angles are on top of either points. So, these angles are corresponding angles. It is given that these two angles are equal. This angle is 120 degree, this angle is also 120 degree. Both of these angles are equal. Both angles are corresponding angles and both are equal because both are equal to 120 degree. Therefore, we can conclude that line PQ is parallel to line RS because of the axiom we just learned now. So, if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is how we concluded that PQ is parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. The reason we can write it in short like this: converse of corresponding angles axiom. Let us look at another diagram. Here angle ABQ is given as 30 degrees and angle BCS is given as 40 degrees. It is given. So both these angles is a pair of corresponding angles. But angle ABQ is not equal to angle BCS because this angle is 30 degree and another angle is 40 degrees. Both are not equal. Angle ABQ is not equal to angle BCS. Both are not equal. So, line PQ will not be parallel to line RS. So, PQ is not parallel to RS. PQ is not parallel to RS because these two corresponding angles is not equal. So from this axiom, we can conclude that in this diagram PQ is not parallel to RS.